right, guys, we're here.
All right, everyone.
Yeah. Old refrigerator factory, the Friedrich Building. See the building straight that way. Guys, we do have masks on this time. We gotta be safe, especially with all the old buildings and stuff. But we tried to hit up a abandoned hotel. That didn't end up working. The old foundation, nothing really back here, just the old foundation. Sadly, most of the building collapsed or was torn down.
Yeah, be careful, y'all.
Just
Ooh, look at that.
is that you talking?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Wait, point down there.
Is anyone there?
Sadly, we couldn't hit this up any earlier. Obviously, most of the building either collapsed or was torn down. But a pretty cool little spot here so far. Making our way to the building now. Look how old this is. So this building here was made in 1883.
I'm right behind you. Go around. Go around. Stop fucking.
We are finally in. Pretty cool in here. How's it? Yeah, be careful, gotta be careful. Since we are next to a this thing. Look at that. An old restroom. How cool is that? Got a Miller Lite in that little garage type area. Look at that. Just another empty room. Nothing too crazy. I don't. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool graffiti. You can even see all the dust in here. Just looking around, I mean, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but all right, let's keep moving. Oh, look, someone's headphones just left here. Huh. Pretty cool building. Well, that's the old look at this older elevator. Wow.
Still water. Still water.
There's some water. Still water, guys. Look at that. Never. First time seeing that, guys. Y'all definitely don't want to go into that. I don't know if y'all could see that. Yeah, y'all could see that. All right, going upstairs now. Gotta be careful with these. Wow.
Don't fall through any.
Yeah, guys, every step, be careful. Gotta be careful. Look, street is right there. Look at this old fan. Still here. That's a very cool piece just left here. As you can hear, that's the train. So we definitely want to be careful, obviously, with flashlights and that sort of thing. Don't want to point too much out of the windows. Pretty cool little spot here. I think the coolest thing so far is the fan just left here. Look at that cool piece of art. That's been here for a while. It's pretty cool. This is some old concrete, guys. Ooh. What do you think?
It's crazy.
Look at that little animal. It's pretty cool. Old stairway. Old gloves. Some more old restrooms. Look at that view. Beautiful San Antonio, Texas. You got the Tower of Americas and then obviously the Alamo Dome. Pretty cool view you got from here. And then here's a view of the roof where we entered. Nothing, obviously. Here's a cool little graffiti, skibbity. Obviously, looks pretty new. Looks a little bit wet too.
There's always.
But I believe there's still more floors. Doing renovations on this place with the plywood and stuff. I believe I read somewhere they're trying to build these into apartments. We'll see if that ends up happening. Not too sure.
All we know is it's hot as balls here.
It is hot.
It's hot.
That. Look at that. Oh yeah. That'll go. We're gonna try to get on the roof now. See if that's still possible. Look at this skinny stairwell to go up to the roof. Look at this, guys. Wow, look, an even better view. Wow. Look at the old roof. Look at that. Look at that. Turning into the graveyard.
Dude, these are all cemented in. Holy
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Some old, more, looks like old fans in there. Obviously, like I said, looks like they're renovating.
Go first and tell us when to move. You go second. Rob, you go third. I'll be last. Hug that wall. Hug that wall.
See if we can get anything in there. Look at this old foundation. Yeah, make sure you're looking down. Well, we can go, just keep going.
Oh my god, it's not Get out. It's on the wall, okay. There's a flying cockroach next to her.
Let's get out of here before he either calls the cops or something like that. Thank you.
Go.
All right, guys, one last look at the abandoned refrigerator factory. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned. We're actually doing another video tonight. We are going to the Lone Star Brewery. Hopefully we can get in, have no problems like this place, other than what looks to be a truck stopped outside of the building at the cemetery. All right, guys, we'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.